Do you have abnormally large hands like yours truly? Do Joy-Cons look tiny in the palms of them? Yo, watch this video. Might have something for you. What up, ladies and gents? It's your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming to you today with a video about an accessory that might help you out with your Nintendo Switch. You know what I'm saying? I have huge hands and everything else. So, you know, for me, Joy-Cons are like that. You know what I mean? They're like, you know, not to say it's a baby's toy, you know what I mean? But like for kid, it's not really designed for grown men, you know what I mean? But first and foremost, let's get the legals out of the way. If you like to see, make sure you smash that like button, you know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on notifications so that you're always aware and when I'm putting out a video. And yeah, no, definitely sub as we make our way to 1K. Yeah, I mean, definitely. So, Joy-Cons. These things are about what? 3.5 inches long, right? So my whole hand pretty much like envelops and like hides them all. You know what I mean? Also, don't judge me for the pink Joy-Cons. You know what I mean? It's my friends understand the villain and pink stuff. But yeah, so if you're trying to play something that requires you to use a Joy-Con, it's all tiny and small, and even with the rails, it's not good. I mean, it's serviceable. You know what I mean? And so I ordered these. These are the HORI Split Pad Pro Joy-Cons for handheld mode for the Nintendo Switch. Now, granted, disclaimers. From what I understand, you can't use these for Mario Party, Super Mario Party, or anything that has like tilt controls or anything like that. But they're pretty much designed, you know, for handheld mode, as it states on the box. Designed for handheld mode. Whenever the cam wants to go ahead and zoom in. So that's front of the box. The sides of it, you know what I mean, and then there's the back of it. So we're gonna open this up, and we're gonna see if things meet the requirements. You know what I mean? So first things first. Shoot. I'm a savage. We'll just rip it. Hold on. ASMR. One side open. Both sides open. And so, there we go. There's your ASMR for the video. Like always, we'll show you guys what's in the box first. You guys get the first peek. That plastic? Okay, that's plastic. Well, there we go. And there they are. Oh, that's manuals. All right, no box. So there's a toilet paper manual. You know what I mean? Like Wicked likes to say, toilet paper manual. And yeah, yo, those things are big. Holy crap! Look at those things. Like, they're huge. Literally. Like, bro, like literally, I can put two Joy-Cons side by side in one side of that thing. That's insane. All these things look nice already. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't mess with HORI because, you know, whatever dude like, but HORI's not bad. You know, they do a lot of fight stuff, stick stuff, and whatever. And okay, they feel light. Okay, so yeah, look at that. That is a mother trucking controller. Like that's different. So we've got minus button, joystick. Ooh, and the stick feels good. D-pad, the capture button. There's a sign button. Oh, and there's turbo. There are turbo functions on here. So if you really feel like you need to get your speed on and cheat, you can cheat. Plus button on this side. The four-face button is the stick. There is the home button, and there's an assign and turbo button for this side as well. On the back, it's something interesting though. On the back, there are buttons, so maybe we can assign these like macros, like if you would use like, you know, an Xbox Elite controller where you put the paddles in. I don't use paddles because I got big hands and whatever. And then we've got the what are these digitals? The digitals, ZL and ZR and R, whatever. Like, it's crazy. Like, I'm holding them, and literally, like, they feel light, right? But they feel sturdy. Like, you can knock on them, and they feel really good. So, what we're gonna do, hold on, more. I said the ASMR video was over, but ASMR part 2. Let's see if we get the satisfying click. So let's see if they just slide in. Sliding in. Oh, that's the stuff. Other side. ASMR part 2 finished. And yeah, holy crap, look how big it makes the Switch. Like literally, like look how big it makes it. Yeah, my Switch has fingerprints on it. I take it in and out of my dock. Don't judge me. But look at that, like, wow. That's crazy how good it is. So what we're gonna do, I'm going to set up a secondary tripod and we're gonna boot some games. Hold on, first things first, can we just okay, that might be an issue. But let's see if we can power it on real fast. Oh no, it recognizes. So you have to power off from the top. But yeah, it recognizes. So yeah, also I need to install Knockout City. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up the secondary cam, and then yeah, I'm having it point down, and don't worry, you guys aren't gonna get crotched or anything like that, but you'll be able to see all my movements and stuff on the game. So yeah, we'll be right back, and then I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. So there's some bad gameplay of me playing on with the HORI Switch Pad Pro, but yeah, like yo, this thing, yeah, it's pretty nice. Like I can't complain about it at all. You can tell that it's a HORI product. Like if you ever bought like any other like the cheap like HORI wired controllers or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? You know that like, you know, they need to be broken in. Like this D-pad right here, you know, it's really good, but it needs to be broken in. That's just the way it is with most new controllers these days. You know, even with like dual senses or the Series X or S controllers, you know what I mean? Like those things need to be broken in. But for $45, this is 40 on Amazon. Like this is great. It literally is. Just to be able to stretch out your hands like that, you know what I mean? And just to be able to go in and, you know what I'm saying, just going like that and be able to just do that stuff. Sorry about the noise, because yeah. But just be able to go do that stuff and have that as a to-go option is great. I'll probably say, hey, you might want to put it in a travel case or something like that if you're going on a plane or whatever else. But yo, legit, if you have big man hands, you know what I mean, like most of us do. Oh, and while I'm sitting here thinking about it, you know what I mean, like, yeah, so detach, it'll kill the connection, but the button's just like that, you know, slides on the back, and then, you know, goes back on. So for $40, you know what I mean, from the short time that I play with it, you know, I probably need a little bit more extensive testing, but it functions right out of the box. You don't have to install anything. You don't have to update anything like that. For the lulls, I guess I can check and see if there's a Joy-Con update, which I'm pretty sure there isn't, but yeah, there isn't. So yeah, those are the Switch Pad Pro from controllers from HORI. what do you guys think, yo? You guys think they're good? Do you have a pair of your own? If you own a pair, like, how do you feel about them? Do you enjoy them? Yo, let me know in the comments below. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that very much. Anyway, I'm MikeOfAllTrades. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you smash that like button. You know, subscribe to the channel if you're not. You know what I'm saying? As we make our way to 1K, you know, and turn on notifications so that you get all my videos and whatnot in your box, because, you know, sometimes Twitter, YouTube, Twitter doesn't tweet them out, YouTube doesn't show them. You know what I mean? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one as I go and play some more Dragon Ball FighterZ. Later.